Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to this super casual setup because I've got a very interesting video for you guys today. So the other day I was thinking about this. How often do people change their smartphone? The common answer is 2 years or something like that. So that got me thinking, what if I make a video about how to maintain your smartphone and how to make sure that it lasts for about 4 years or something like that. Like if you follow these steps from day one, then the chances of it lasting more are higher. So yeah, that's why I wanted to sit down and talk about these points because they are very important. Now, if you are a tech savvy person, then you will already know about these things, but your parents or your friends or your uncles and aunties, they might not know about these things. So you can share this video with them and they will definitely appreciate it. It's not going to be too technical. It's going to be very basic steps, and these steps will help you maintain your smartphone and potentially use it for a longer period of time. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get to these points. We are going to start in reverse order. I will start with number 5 and then I will move up to number 1. So at number 5 is the first thing that you should do when you buy a new smartphone. You should apply a tempered glass or screen protector and buy a new cover for it as well. Both of these things are of prime importance because smartphones these days are very fragile. They look beautiful in their glass and metal construction, but if they fall, they are going to break because glass is glass and glass breaks. Also, the display of your smartphone gets scratched very easily. That's why installing a screen protector or tempered glass is very important. Now, fun fact, the budget Android phones out there do come with a pre-installed screen protector and they also provide a case in the box. So if that is the case, then you are covered. But if you buy an expensive smartphone like a flagship smartphone, then you won't get anything inside the box. So it's kind of ironical that budget phones are covered but flagships are not covered. Like quite literally, they're not covered. I would suggest go to an offline market for screen protectors and tempered glass because they do free installation as well and they do very precise installation. That's why I recommend offline markets. Moving on, let's talk about point number 4. Don't update your software immediately. So once you buy a new smartphone, you will regularly get software updates, like if you buy from a good brand, and do not rush with these software updates. Sometimes software updates will bring more issues than they solve. That's why wait and see the feedback of other people and then update your software. Now in the initial first year after buying your smartphone, you will get a lot of updates, and those updates are important because they will improve the performance of your smartphone. But after that, the update frequency will go down, and that's when you need to be careful. If you get a major software update, then please wait and do not rush it. Do not download and install it on the first day itself. Wait for the community feedback. You can follow a lot of people on Twitter, Telegram, and on the community page of the brand as well to get the feedback about the software update. So yeah, this is a very important point and you should follow it. At number 3, we have one more point related to software. Do not clear applications from your RAM. Now this is a habit that a lot of people have. They'll go into their recent apps and close each and every app. Please do not do that because that will consume more RAM. Like closing an application and opening it again will consume more RAM. Nowadays smartphones are very smart and they do all this automatically in the background. So if your system is running out of RAM, it will automatically close background processes and applications based on your usage. So you don't need to do anything like open the application and don't close it. It will be okay. Trust me, smartphones are smart enough. Now here I'm going to give you a bonus tip as well. Every now and then switch off your smartphone and switch it on again. You should switch off your smartphone and switch it on like every couple of weeks. Coming in at number 2 is a very important point. Clear your storage periodically. We live in a world where smartphones can shoot some amazing content, and this content is shared on platforms like WhatsApp as well. So photos, videos, and all these things will eat up your space, and after a point that puts pressure on your smartphone. So if your storage is almost full, that will put pressure on your smartphone. That's why every now and then you should clear your storage. Also, one pro tip over here that you can turn off automatic downloads on WhatsApp. So if you get a lot of photos on some group or something like that, you can turn off automatic downloads and that will save you a lot of storage. Now you can clear your storage by deleting what you don't want, or you can transfer your stuff to some laptop or hard drive or something like that. Or you can buy some cloud-based storage like iCloud, Google One, Dropbox and something like that. Basically clear your storage every now and then. This gets me to the first point, and this is a very important one. So when you use a smartphone, the main thing that will give you problems after a couple of years is the battery life. So how to make sure that you have good battery life over the period of 3 to 4 years. From the day you get your smartphone, make sure that you keep the battery life between 20 to 80%. Don't let it go below 20% and do not let it go above 80%. Now while you're doing this, every once a month you should also charge your smartphone to 100% and let it die to 0%. This will complete one charge cycle and then you can go back to 20 and 80. So once a month complete your charge cycle, and then apart from that just keep it between 20 to 80% and your battery health will be solid. Also, I would recommend use the default charger that comes inside the box. This is a very important point. Do not use any third party charger or someone else's charger. Use the default charger because that is the best suited for your smartphone and that will give you the best results. So I would always suggest if you lose your charger, buy an original charger because that will help your battery health as well. And if you run into major battery issues after 3 years, you can just replace the battery and your smartphone will be as good as new. Like trust me, if your smartphone is solid and you only have problems with battery life, then change the battery and you'll be good to go. So yeah, those are the things that you should follow to maintain your smartphone and potentially use it for 3 to 4 years, if not more. I've seen a lot of people use their smartphones for 5 to 6 years, and the number one common thing between all these people is that they know how to maintain their smartphones. So yeah, definitely maintain your smartphone and do share this video with all your friends and family. They will appreciate it and it will help them out as well. So anyway, that's been it. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.